Big gulp cast nets. Yeah. Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua back with another video. So hey, Big Gulp Cast Nets actually sent me this 10-foot 3/8 inch cast net, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to throw it. Now there's multiple ways to throw a cast net, but I'm going to show you a few different ways. This step or this method is going to be the first, and then I'll follow up with a different way on how to throw a large cast net. So let's get to it and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, first step, go ahead and put the rope around your wrist just like that. Alright, and then what you're going to do is use your elbow and your hand just like you wrap an extension cord to wrap this up nice and tight. Here's your little swivel. These are called your braille lines on your cast net. The next step is to go ahead, I'm right-handed, I hold this in my left hand, the rope, and then I reach down and I grab what you call the horn. From there, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up out of the bucket, lay it on the deck of the boat, and then what I like to do is just stretch the net out, just like so. And then with my left hand, just 6 inches or so below the horn, I'll grab it just like that. And after that, I'll bring the rest of the cast net up right in front of me here. And then I'm gonna make a loop. So I still have the cast net and the rope in this hand. I'm gonna hold it with my right hand just like this. I'm gonna swing down and grab the cast net at waist level. You're gonna have this big old loop here. That's gonna lay just like this. Easy enough. At this point, you don't put the lead in your mouth, guys. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna say there's other ways to throw it without putting lead in your mouth. That's true. And I'm gonna show you those ways on how to throw it too. I personally prefer this method. Put the lead line, that doesn't mean the lead, guys, into your mouth. Put it right on the corner of your tooth. Don't be getting it all the way back there on a molar. I don't want you pulling a tooth. Just like that. Then what I like to do, use my leg or your shoulder and separate the lead. Alright, so just separate the net. You want to make sure when you're doing this that all the braille lines are clear and not overlapping each other. And that's what I'm doing here. And they aren't. Stretch your arm all the way out, come down, and with your thumb and your index finger, grab the braille line. Now come under with the other 3 fingers and grab the cast net. Let that lay in your fingers just like this. Now one of the keys is you want that to open. You see how that is? Look how that opens. Now when I'm throwing this, you're going to want to go up and at an angle. And then, so I put my right foot towards the direction that I want it to go. I turn my torso, and then I go up, and then this comes, you're almost turning it like a frisbee on the very last part of your throw. So the very last thing that should touch the net is your thumb and your index finger. Let me show you how to do it. Almost. Pretty good. And that is how simple it is to throw a cast net. If you do that, you're going to catch your bait. That sucker's going to fall. Big old mushroom cloud. And hopefully one and done. Throw it in the bait well and you're off to fishing. So guys, I have to say that I'm very impressed with the Big Gulp net. It's very comparable to my Tim Wade net. It might even be better. I've thrown it about 10 times today and I pancaked it with ease every single time. Even when I didn't load it properly, it pretty much opened all the way. So kudos to you guys. If you're interested in learning more, they're a local company right here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area. I'm gonna link their stuff down in the description. Check them out. This isn't a sponsored plug, guys. Support your local companies. And again, Big Gulp cast nets. Hey, if you liked the video, please give a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And stay tuned. I'm going to show you a different way how to throw a cast net on the next trip.